Hi, I'm Donna with Love a Lot Art Events, and I'm so excited that you are joining me for a Laugh a Lot art party. We're going to have a lot of fun, but before we get started with the video, I'd like to show you everything that's in your art kit. Now, depending on the painting that you chose, you will get a full color print of that finished image and a list of all the items that are going to be in your art kit. And to make your life a little bit easier, I included a template and some transfer paper. So all you'll have to do is take the shiny side down on your canvas and then place the template on top of that, and then use a pencil, or you can use the end of your paintbrush and trace along to get that transferred onto your canvas. Now your canvas is an 11 by 14 stretched canvas, no staples on the side, so it's ready to mount on a wall. You're going to get a full set of paintbrushes. We're not skimping here. You're going to get all the brushes you need and more. And I will guide you, or my artist, whoever is guiding you on your painting, which brushes we'll be using when. You'll also get a plate to mix your paints on. And your paints are awesome. You're going to get a full set of 12 colors of paints. So all the colors that you will need, and your artist will guide you as to how to mix the colors to get more. What else? What else? You'll get an apron, a nice disposable apron to protect your clothing, because this paint can get on your clothes and is difficult to get out. So basically make sure that you have your area covered and you are not wearing your best clothes. Things that you will need that are not in your art kit is a cup with water and some extra paper towel. Those are to rinse your brushes and blot your brushes. Oh, and in addition to all of these things in your art kit, we always sneak in some fun treats. That's always a fun surprise. Little cocktail mixes, and if they're for kids, a special drink mix. I'm really happy that you have chosen laughalotpaintandsip.com to do your party, and I'd love to hear from you. There are ways to contact me. You can hashtag, you can post your pics on Facebook, Instagram, and you can also go to the YouTube for other selections, because you're going to have plenty of paint. You got all the brushes, everything you need to paint a new painting. So go ahead, get yourself set up, and let's get in there and let's get this party started.